So me and my roommate Leo, we were looking for something to do during the quarantine, and we stumbled across Drake's indoor basketball hoop, and we thought to ourselves, wow, wouldn't it be absolutely savage if we had an indoor basketball hoop of our own? The answer was obviously yes, so we decided that we wanted to build one. Here's how it went.
We have to be quiet. Harry's sleeping. Shh. Why do we need a backboard? The fucking thing is the backboard. The entire wall is a backboard.
We need to draw a fucking square. Or else it's not a basketball court.
Well, it's not realistic.
Yeah, it's not realistic. You need a backboard. You need a square, you know. I spin off the square all the time. Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like a hoop.
That's the free throw line, right?
So, as you can tell, the basketball hoop was a huge success. Well, I mean, it's not, regulation size like Drake's court, but whatever. What's important is that I had a lot of fun playing mini ball with my roommate, and even better time, goofing off and building the darn thing. I hope this inspires you to do something similar, and enjoy yourself. Take care.